Hey guys, morning. I think it's morning anyway. But as you've read from the title there, this is my first weekly vlog. Who do I think I am? So today is Sunday. It's just gone like 11 o'clock. I've been for a cheeky little 5k run this morning. I've realised I can only do those like first thing in the morning, otherwise it just kills me off. Basically my sister is doing a little wall mural. Yeah, this is what she's got at the moment. Doesn't that look really good? So I actually pre-write a lot of my captions for Instagram. It saves me so much time and it means that I can just post wherever I am and not have to like spend 20 minutes writing a caption. I use Preview, which is this kind of app, and you can like put all your posts in there and you can kind of see how your feed and that would look. Okay, so a fair bit has happened since I did those captions, like the last time I talked. Oh my god, sorry, I'm out of breath, I just ran up the stairs. Oh my god. I'm just gonna eat some lunch and then film a version of my Folk of Air book review, and then I might sit down and do a bit of makeup. Or I might read my book. Not quite sure, but I need to show you what we're gonna have for lunch because I'm so excited. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna make some scones. I don't know why, just come out of nowhere, I'm gonna make some scones. Morning guys. Wow, today's Monday and today is a work day for me. So in the morning I like to get up and spend about an hour 45 minutes reading. So at the minute I'm reading Ninth House. Today's work uniform vibe consists of leggings and a nice jumper. Well, I say nice, baggy jumper. I'm actually such a bad vlogger. I finished my work and I came down to make my lunch, and it's only when I've completely finished making my lunch that I remembered that, you know, I was doing this thing. So for lunch today we have the entertainment of a Jamie Genevieve vlog that came out yesterday and a lovely jacket potato. Ta-da! Potato with some salad and some coleslaw. Look what came! Super excited. You guys literally just missed me run to the top of the stairs like a little puppy. So I'm just gonna quickly open this up for you. Look at these. So this is the top. I got the top too. Grease. Is it? Looks like grease. Hello. I look very different to before. 1 minute. Just casually listening to the Receipts podcast. Oh my god. There we go, better. While I was doing this little tutorial for you guys. Just a little Instagram one. We'll see if it actually sees the light of day, because these Instagram ones just are such a pain in the arse. I'm about to take off my makeup. This is the first time I've used my reusable cotton pads to take makeup off. Normally I just use the cotton pads for like skincare and my toner and stuff, so it'd be interesting to see how they fare and also how they wash out. And then I'm gonna have a cheeky little WhatsApp group chat call with my little besties, and yeah, that is my evening pretty much. So I'll see you when I see you. Hi! Oh, so I have just got back from a lovely run. The weather outside is gross. Let me show you. So the weather is miserable. All the sunshine from last week has now gone. And then I'm going to bake my father's birthday cake for tomorrow with my sister. So again, I will show you, like, come on, basically a baking queen these days, like scones the other day and cake today. So that is all the situation. I had to go outside because I was feeling so lethargic and tired because I stayed up till like 2:30 last night watching The Last Kingdom, and if you guys have not watched it, you need to get on that because it's so good. Cue montage.
Wow, we're matching! I'm just now gonna crack it with one hand. Go on. There you go. See? I did it.
Hey!
Right, I'm putting all my force in it. It's not cracking. That is so weird.
Oh! Oh no!
Here's the reveal. That's recording. Oh, so cute. Oh, it looks so pale. What are you doing? Oh my god, look at the spotlight.
Speak the truth. Wanna learn about me, babe.
Hey guys, so today is Wednesday and it is my daddy's birthday, and you would have just seen the little clip of us lighting the candles and whatnot, and in all honesty, the cake that me and Davina made, it was really good. I think I should just apply to be on Bake Off, really, basically. It was an ordeal to say the least, but the cake was really nice. Yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to say. We've just quickly done that. It's about just gone 2 in the afternoon. I've still got a few hours of work to do, and then I'm gonna do a bit of a food shop, and then we're gonna have a nice dinner tonight. And I have told everyone that we have to dress somewhat nicely instead of just like pajama bottoms and whatnot while we eat. Hey guys, oh, just come back from my run. I wanted to show you my outfit, that's all. So this is the new Alpha Elite release. So I've got the orange top and the like grey black shorts, and I love them, basically. It is an action adventure. It won't. You can see it.
Hey!
No one rises. No, don't have that. The dark something.
The dark is a D.
I'll be guessing D now.
Is it D?
Yeah.
K.
Dark. Ooh.
Dark Knight.
Yeah.
Indiana Jones.
Yeah. Indiana Jones.
Oh!
You spelled it wrong, idiot.
Davina, you spelled it wrong.
You
spelled it
You
wrong.
spelled it wrong. How the hell
Yes.
you spelled Jones wrong?
Wait, you spelled Jones wrong?
Yeah.
It was upside down.
So you didn't spell Indiana wrong, you spelled Jones wrong.
Yeah.
Hey guys, what is up? I have finally finished work. Not a lot going on, really. I'm about to just quickly do my makeup because I need some content for Instagram. It's getting a bit low. So I just did this look. I didn't film it or anything like that. Let me just show you the real reality of Instagram. So I look like this on top, all nice. Had just a dicker in my hair, but I'm here in my pajama bottoms with my mess of a room. It's the real life, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna now tidy all of this up and go down for some dinner. Friday, whoop whoop. Yeah, I've just finished work, had a very good day today, and now, as you can tell, I'm about to do some exercise. I think I'm doing a leg day. Hopefully I can do it outside and it doesn't rain. So remember when I said I'm going to try and do my workout outside? Well, it's hailing. It's actually hailing.
Why they wanna hold me down once again? All these the problem, baby. I'm trapped. Ooh, I used to spend my time endlessly looking at the stars. No, I always mean it when I say I want your heart for love and affection.
Saturday today. I'm just finishing off my tea. As per last weekend, I have my list of things to do this weekend and I'm just going to work my way through it. My weekend is going to be pretty boring, you know. Where else is life in lockdown? So I'm just setting up to take some content photos. And I thought I'd show you guys kind of set up really if you're interested, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to show you anyway. So I've got like random dead flowers. That's the reason why I have them, because they look nice in photos. I always need to have a candle. This is a stack of books I'm going to shoot and then I'm going to get some more. And this is my little blog contact box. So I've got some fake petals, just some confetti that I got out of one of those confetti balloons. These are some shells from my travels. Again, some rocks from my travels, some decorative ones, also some fancy stones. And I always have a podcast going, and at the minute I am obsessed with this.
But honestly, I look so pale.
No, I always mean it when I say I want your heart for love and affection.
Ta-da! What are you saying? What do you think? It's a vibe, I know. I've just filmed an Instagram tutorial, and so I went with this blue moment. So I'm just gonna tidy this situation and then get to editing because I still really need to edit some stuff. Oh, I can't do this. Why is vlog so awkward? Oh. There you go. I can't do it. Oh my god.
Just a minute.
Yeah, they're in a biscuit tin. If not, they're at the top shelf in the cupboard.